In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private auction on eBay. Whether you're looking to sell a valuable item discreetly or prefer a more selective approach, private auctions can provide the perfect solution. Let's dive into the steps for setting up your own private auction. First, log into your eBay account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right of your screen and click on My eBay. From there, head over to Selling to access the Seller Hub. This is your control center for managing all things related to your listings. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. Next, click on Listings in the top menu. You can either create a new listing or edit an existing one, depending on your needs for this auction. If you're starting fresh, take your time to fill in all the important details about the item you're selling, as this is crucial for attracting potential buyers. Be sure to include high-quality photos and a detailed description, as these are key factors in convincing bidders to participate. Once your listing details are complete, scroll down to the pricing section. Here, select Auction as your listing format. Private auctions can only be set up using this format. Then, look for the Pricing Options button at the top right of the pricing section and click it. This will open additional options. In the expanded menu, you'll see an option to toggle private listing on. It's a simple switch, so go ahead and turn it on. After toggling, a private listing checkbox will appear under the Auto Relist section. Make sure to check this box to fully enable the private listing feature. You can also set a reserve price if you want to ensure your item doesn't sell below a certain amount. Additionally, consider adjusting the auction duration to give invited bidders enough time to participate. Once your auction is set up as a private listing, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the List It button to publish your auction. This final step ensures your auction goes live. Because it's private, only invited bidders or those you share the link with will be able to view and participate. You can also monitor the auction closely and send reminders to your invited bidders to encourage active participation. And there you have it. You've successfully created a private auction on eBay. By following these steps, you can manage your listings confidently, ensuring your auction meets your preferences for privacy and discretion. With a little planning, private auctions can be an effective way to sell high-value items while keeping your sale confidential. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay.